Hi everyone, this is my quick tech tip of the day. Have you ever wanted to remove a background on an image and didn't know how to? Or you didn't feel comfortable in Adobe Photoshop, or you don't want to do it in in PowerPoint, because I know you can do it in PowerPoint, but you don't want to have to upload it then to Google Slides and convert it. I'm making a Google Slides class photo of my students, but having them do their Bitmojis. So here is a Bitmoji that I'm going to show you how to remove a background. And this will work for any type of image to remove the background. All you need to do is navigate to remove.bg or remove.bg/upload. You click on upload an image. And I have my image right there, and you can see the original image over here on the right. It's the white background, and then here is the image without the background. And you can tell that there is no background anymore because of these gray and white boxes. Those gray and white boxes means that there is absolutely no background. And then when you like it, you just click download and navigate to where it downloads, and I'm going to keep it showing that it removes the background so I know the difference. And now to show you what it looks like compared to the original one, I have a slides presentation that I'm going to upload, both the original and um, the removed background image. So they look exactly the same, and let's see which one is the image that has the background and doesn't. So let's check the left one, and I'm going to move over here and drag it on top. And I can tell that the one on the right is the one with the background because you can see how it's covering up the other one. So I'm going to order that one to the back. And now you can see the other one, this one that I'm floating on top, it's removed the background. And you can tell because I'm going on top of the other image and you don't see any type of background. And so that is how an easy, quick way to remove a background of any image. Again, it is remove.bg/upload or just remove.bg. Hope this helps.